Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Apple ID, password reset instructions step by step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile internet connection. If you still have access to a trusted Apple device, open the Settings app on iPhone or iPad. Tap your name at the top of Settings to open Apple ID settings. Select Password and Security to find the password reset options. Tap Change Password and follow the on-screen instructions. When asked, enter your device passcode to confirm it is really you. Type a new strong password that you have not used before. Re-enter the new password to confirm. Then tap Change or Update. If you do not have access to your device, open a web browser on any phone or computer. Go to iForgot.apple.com and wait for the Apple ID recovery page to load. Enter your Apple ID email address and type the characters you see. Then continue. Choose the option to reset the password using email, security questions, or a trusted phone number if available. If you choose email, open your inbox and look for the message from Apple. Click the reset link in the email and create a new password on the page that opens. If you choose security questions, answer them exactly as you set them up before. After answering, create a new password and confirm it to complete the reset. If you choose a trusted phone number, select the phone number you can access. Wait for the verification code to arrive by text message or phone call. Enter the verification code on the Apple page to continue. Create your new password, confirm it, and submit the change. If Apple asks for account recovery, select Continue to start the recovery process. Add a phone number you can access and follow the time estimate shown on the screen. During recovery, avoid changing key account information to prevent delays. After the password is updated, go to the device where you use the Apple ID. Open Settings or System Settings and sign in with your Apple ID and new password. If you are prompted, enter the verification code sent to your trusted device or number. Update the password in services like iCloud, App Store, iMessage, and FaceTime when asked. Finally, consider enabling two-factor authentication and saving your trusted phone number to avoid future lockouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.